Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about velocity, acceleration and that sort of stuff. I'll use Usain Bolt's run as an example. You can see his actual run here. So, we need to find out the answers to these two questions. How can we find speed from a distance time graph, and how can we find acceleration from a speed time graph? So, speed, or rather velocity, is equal to the distance divided by time. Likewise, acceleration is velocity divided by time. If we plot a distance time graph of Usain's run, we get something like this. And we can add a line onto it too. So, as velocity is distance over time, then velocity is equal to the gradient of this line. The line crosses 50 meters at 5.5 seconds and 80 meters at 8 seconds, which means he then has traveled 30 meters at 2.5 seconds, which gives you 12 meters per second, which is quite impressive. However, in the period between 2 and 3 seconds, as we can see on the graph, it travels at about 10 meters per second, which means that his velocity has increased by 2 meters per second over about 2 seconds. So his acceleration was about 1 meters per second, which is 1 meters per second squared. So we have just found velocity by finding gradient of a line in a distance time graph, and we found acceleration by finding gradient of a line on a velocity time graph, and that's the way to do it. Some of you could ask a question: hey, what is that under the x-axis line? Down there is the same scale, but the numbers of y-axis there are negative. You can't really get negative distance or velocity, but you still can use it for negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is called deceleration, and it means simply just things slowing down. Well, that's it. Hope you didn't hate it for the quality of sound. I have a really nasty microphone. Thank you for watching.